Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We have a Costco run to do, so let's go to Costco. Let's see if my man can let me film over at Costco. Fingers crossed. Alright guys, so we are back from Costco and Aldi. So as you guys, things are so expensive. At Costco we spent $195 on what? I don't know. And then at Aldi we spend 120. So this haul is pretty big, but not. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you Costco first. But at Costco, I am not showing you two big things of water bottles. And I'm also not showing you two the black and yellow bins from Costco because we got that as well, but we left that in the garage. Everything else I'm about to show you. So one of the first things we did get, I got this for my toddler. Obviously, I don't need to get this for my toddler, but I did. So it is a storybook lap desk. And it comes with a lot of things. They had a mermaid one and a blueies one. I asked her to pick, and she actually picked this one. It was $14. And it comes with all of this, which I actually think would be great for the plane. I'm gonna open this up after I film this to just kind of see how it is. I might actually save it for our trip. I'm not 100% sure yet because it is a little bit on the bigger side. We got apples, pink lady apples. I gotta clean these. We got some cheese. Now we normally do not buy freeze pops or anything like that. My daughter is okay with having the Pedialyte ones, but we actually saw this in a video, and it is like no sugar added, and it's supposed to be really clean and good for you. My nutritionists say it's good, so we decided to go ahead and pick that up. I did need some more granola, so I picked up some more granola. My toddler actually bought the one like this at Target, and my daughter did end up liking it. She tried the chocolate chip one though, and this time this one actually comes with the mixed berry pouches as well. So we decided to go ahead and give those a try. If you haven't been here for a while, you guys know I absolutely love these wipes. They are amazing. They used to come in a purple container, and now they come in that color. We got some organic eggs. We got some grapes. We also got some maple syrup. And then we also got some blueberries. I need to wash all this. We got some garbage bags that we actually needed to pick up. And then I did get two sets of dresses. So this one is for my daughter. It was only $11. So I got 3 T's since they do run a little bit big. But it comes with this side, this dress, and this dress. And then I loved this one, but I know she will not like the no sleeves on this. So one of my friends is having a birthday. Well, not her. Her daughter's having a birthday. And she's the same size as my baby, so I decided to go ahead and get this for her birthday. But it is so cute. So that is what we picked up at Costco. I also bought a watermelon that I forgot to tell you guys, but I just thought it. So we also got a watermelon. I forgot to mention we also got these. I had to run right now in the car to get on because my husband actually left them in there. So it is a cheese, fruit, and nuts pack. My daughter loves these. This one has white cheese. The other one has sharp cheddar. She loves these. So I finally found a nice little big pack for 195 guys. Hi. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you what we picked up at Aldi. All right, so Aldi looks a little bit prettier for 120, but it's still, can't believe how expensive things are. Oh my goodness. All right, so we do like having these for those moments that I need to throw a meal together. And they are my daughter's favorite veggies: broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots. I got some unsalted butter. My daughter actually loves salami, and my husband loves salami in his sandwiches, so we got 2 of those. We also got this. Oh my god, I'm out of breath. It's so hot. We got this cake mix. Honestly, I just got it just in case I want to make this leches or something. We got some garlic powder, some heavy cream, whipping cream. Like if I decide I want to make soup, or if I decide I want to make pasta. We got some chicken bone broth. I use this in my rice now. And I also got this Alphabet minis. These little packs have come so much in handy. She actually really likes them, and so does my husband, which is why I got two. My daughter picked the chocolate. She always picks chocolate, but she does like the honey as well. I just know that she loves the chocolate, but I try not to give her that one as much. Um, my husband picked this out, and it is oven crispy popcorn chicken. We've been wanting seafood. We don't know where to buy it around here, so we need to look to see. We got some chips for if you have a cookout or just want to snack on something. He got some honey. He got some honey turkey breast, and he also got some honey classic turkey breast. If you don't know, you need all these bacon. It's the best. It comes out perfectly crispy at 350 degrees in the oven for 25 minutes, and they come out beyond perfect and completely cooked evenly. So we used to buy these a long time ago, and we stopped and started buying like the regular, like the raw ones. But we honestly love these better. I did tell him to get 4 because they are like $1 each, and we do make one of these for each breakfast. And I'm trying to not go back to the store and buy any of this stuff for a little bit, since we have our trip coming up. Got some cheese for his sandwiches. Carrots, some bell peppers. I love bell peppers. We got some broccoli, some cauliflower. I've been craving avocados with eggs and toast, so avocados. I also got some garlic and some salad. This is mainly for me. I can make like steak or something or chicken, and they like rice, and I don't, so I don't like white rice all the time. So I can just make myself a salad. And these are things that we didn't need to buy, but we did. So he got this tool holder. It's basically for the grill, which is really cool. And then he also picked this up for himself. It's for the water. My daughter loves playing outside right now in all the stuff she has for pool. So he picked this up for himself to play with her, and she picked out Nemo. And then my best friend's son's birthday is also coming up, and he loves cars, so I picked this up for him. I asked my daughter if she wanted one, and she said no, thank you. I'm guessing because the wheels don't actually, work, but still thought it was super duper cute. So yeah, this was $120 at Aldi, and this was $195 at Costco. You guys, I am using my new tripod that I'm going to use on our trips. I'm testing it out. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Leave this emoji down below if you are still here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.